Morning. This is a video about some adapters for cords. If you watched my previous video on how not to attach a salvaged right angle cord to a plug strip that doesn't have one, then this is a much easier and I guess you could say better way of doing it. After I'd already started doing this several times, I decided to see if I could find, because I was running out of the cords. I'd salvaged 3 or 4 or 6, I don't know. Initially I only found 3, but then I found a bunch more. So I was trying to see if I could find unfinished cords, meaning a cord with a male socket on one end and just bare wires on the other, and such a thing is mostly unobtainium, or if it's made, costs a ridiculous amount of money when you can get, in some cases, the plug strip with the right angle cord for less than you can buy an unfinished cord. Anyways, I found these on Amazon. They came with a really long list of things you shouldn't do and rules and cover your ass stuff from lawyers, and I promptly cut those off, because if you don't know how to use a cord and what to not do with a cord, I don't think having written instructions would help you, because you probably can't read. Anyways, this is just will be a really quick video showing what these are. One is a 1-foot cord, which the actual length of this is 16.5 inches. It's the length of the wire in the middle that's 1 foot. It has a right angle plug on it. This way you can put this in an outlet and it'll only stick out about 1/2 inch. Eh, 9/16. And you can hook it up to anything. So you plug this in and then you can plug your plug strip into it. Now this is still pretty thick, so you're going to lose 1 1/16 with this. These are made of 14 American wire gauge wire. It says on them 3x14 AWG, and that means that they can handle 15 amps. You could theoretically use these with a window air conditioner if you wanted to. One note, if you want to get cords with a right angle, do not get ones that rotate. Those can be quite dangerous if someone trips over them. They can break easily, and I've seen pictures of the fires that resulted from those breaking. This one is basically the exact same thing. But it's longer. Measure 3 foot 3 inches. So it's effectively a 3-foot extension cord. anyways, I mean, there's not much more to say about it. They're just extension cords with a right angle plug. They work, and that's all you need to know. Later.